Skillsroad presents an orchestra of skills. It takes an orchestra of skills to get anything done, be it building a shed, or a ship, or a shopping centre. With any of these projects, it starts with an idea, and then harnessing all the skills to make it happen. Planning and design skills, excavating and site preparation skills, transport and construction skills of every type. Turning our idea, our vision, into a new reality, which is now a home for many other skills. Skills that entertain us, help us relax, play and learn. Technology skills. Skills that connect us safely with the world and each other. Well-being and health skills. Skills that help us heal and grow. Community and service skills. Support skills of care and assistance. Financial and strategic skills. Skills that help protect us and our family. Skills that bring us joy. Positive skills that help us engage with the world. Skills are so important. They help us to define ourselves, who we are, and achieve our goals, so ultimately we contribute to our world. Skillsroad, where for skills. We want you to get a job. We want you to be a success, on your own terms. The journey starts now. Are you ready to join the Orchestra of Skills? Get hands-on with your future today.